Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. This is Atoya. Today we are working on one part of my garage. We're working on the washer and dryer area and then our little storage area next to our hot water heater. I hope y'all enjoy. Let's roll that intro.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true-to-love, true-to-love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true-to-love, true-to-love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. On a higher level. We got this. We got this.
Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest. Heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Yeah. Beautiful girls are coming. Funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words often. Loving you has left me weak. let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I'm chasing after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby, it's you. Oh, can I dance for you? Hey, would that be cool? Can I dance for you?
Hey you guys, I know y'all rocking to the music and enjoy the motivation. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas, the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. And on today's video, as you can see, we are working on this little corner of our garage. I'm just trying to get it in order in little steps. That is it. If you like this motivation and if you like our videos, go ahead and subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video and smash that thumbs up button, excuse me, y'all. And then don't forget to comment down below, how do you start your cleaning motivations? I start by doing something little, or I just take an hour and do something. It's just better this way. So this is pretty much a power hour that we're doing today. So I really hope that y'all enjoy. Enough again, like I said, to click the description box below, smash that like button, and comment. Y'all be blessed. I'll see y'all at the end of the video.
She can do it, so wild tonight. Waist beats are in motion round our body. When you do it slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets, your vibe is so divine. Don't you for lying, you know even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life, sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Ella no la quiere, 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 quiere. Ella no la quiere, 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 quiere. Body moving, quiere, 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 quiere. She can do it, quiere, 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 quiere. Oh yeah.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. Oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to your clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want it down.
Show me how you do
Why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-choo-choo. I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
break it down like this.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-choo-choo. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up.
Thank you so much, guys, for spending your precious time with us, because time is precious. Thank you for just clicking on this video, y'all. It makes it such a joy to be able to do this. Though I haven't edited a video in a while, I do miss doing it. So I really appreciate y'all for being here and spending y'all precious time with us, because what? Because time is precious. For we are the family that loves life and having fun. Give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Don't forget to click that subscription button down below. Don't forget to comment, what do you do to get your power hour started? Thank you so much. Y'all have a blessed day.